Dang, look at those peas. That's the spicy oriental mustard, sunflower seeds, pea sprouting seeds, they look like that. They're weird. They're like really hard. They don't look like the peas you get in a can or kind of like pea pods that you think about. So this is my first time trying these, so everything looks kind of different and cool. This is my one, well, my top one. This is a bunch of different lettuces. This was the spicy oriental mustard seed, which was here. Yeah. And we got, oh, and the package that came in these, it was a little, so it came in a little paper package like you get at Home Depot or something. And those were $2.50 a package. And I think I put too many seeds. And I don't know if you can see them. A lot of them didn't sprout. They're like, a lot didn't sprout right here. This is my first go around. These look a lot more flush and like really vibrant, but I cut them down seeing if they'd grow again, but they didn't. So it's just one go around, 7 days about. These take about 3 weeks to actually get big enough, and I'll take these out and replant them so they have a lot of space. Each one of these will be like a big bulb. Whereas these, one seed just grows one little hair or plant. Like here's one right here. Looks like that. One little seed, and there's the seed at the bottom. And those taste really good. A lot, huge flavor profile. Really spicy, good for like sushi or something. And now, compared to these ones, these are the peas. I cut these twice down, harvested them twice, and they keep regrowing. The third time, these, unfortunately, I'm probably gonna trash them because they're really fibrous and like bitter. These are the peas. But the first go around and the second one, they're really good. They're tender, perfect for like a salad. I put them in my eggs, chicken. But these, I don't know, maybe I'll cut them down and like put them in my compost bin or something. The sunflower seeds, this has been like 2 to 3 weeks. I'll get some dates for you guys, but these like did terrible. I did no soak on these, which means you set them in water for like an hour, up to 8 hours. Some of these did well, and I would eat them, you know, as they'd go along. These taste like sunflower seeds. It's kind of funny how they taste like sunflower seeds, even though it looks like a plant, where I'd eat sunflower seeds while playing baseball or softball. But it's funny how they grow into plants, and this big thing right here tastes just like a pea, but it looks nothing like a pea. So that's pretty cool. And I did these on one tray because I wanted to see how they grow. I wanted to practice. I got my whole light set up. This is all new. And these, I'm gonna do my own tray, and I'm probably gonna soak them and do a little bit something different next time. I'm not sure. I'm gonna watch some videos on it. But the peas did really well. They grew really fast. They tasted really good. The sunflower seeds will get really big and fluffy too, but this go around was not good. And then I got this rack set up, $10 on Craigslist, which is a good deal. I would like a rack that extended the whole way so it doesn't come out the sides, but it looks nice. Could look nicer. I have these lights that I got on Amazon, pack of 2. I'll give you guys the specs on them on the screen in words. On the lights, they're kind of like the lower grade, but they're like a sunlight LED light, which worked pretty good. They grew the peas like crazy. These are pretty slow. I'd like these to be growing a little bit faster. These grew great, 7 days, the whole big grass field. Those look really good. And these will be really big, and I'll be able to make salads out of those. And I got 4 more lights recently. These are a little bit stronger than these. They're a little bit more expensive, but these pack of 2 was like $30. Not bad. $30, $10, like that. Or you can get the trays with no holes. Here, I just got those, depending on what you want to do. You can actually grow these peas with no soil down here. So a lot of people use a product called Coco Coir. It's like the husk of the coconut. Work really well because it drains, but also still holds moisture if you forget to water them or whatever. So I'm gonna try that. There's different reasons for this. I'll show you actually why you can get one with no holes and then one with holes, because check it out, look at the bottom of this. So you see the bottom of that? All those roots. So what you do is you put water down here. I put tinfoil here because my first batch that I bought were the ones with holes. So I put tinfoil down, but if you put one with no holes, you put one with holes and then you just water this once a day, a couple cups of water. And I use a Crystal Geyser. I didn't want to use like any filtered water or something with chlorine in it. And then you just let it sit and the water will come up and feed the roots and the soil, and you can just do that once a day. And in 7 days, you'll have a big, huge thing. I mean, that's a lot to eat. And if you have 4 lights and this whole thing set up, I mean, you're gonna have a lot of stuff. So that's my first run through. I'm gonna set up new lights. I'm gonna get the correct trays. I'm gonna do single trays, single products per tray, and then I'll show you guys how that goes. But this is my first time around. That's my walkthrough down here, Tyler, if you can see this. My light setup is set up on a light timer for 12 hours a day. The lights come right on. I can show you that. I'll show you how that comes on like this. So works pretty well. So I put it on from 1 a.m. while we're sleeping, and they turn off at 1 p.m. So, you know, if they're on during the day when you wake up, they're not very bothersome. But
have you tried out your new sprayer?
No, I just got this sprayer. This is a really nice one. This was 25 bucks. I have my Crystal Geyser in here. I'm not gonna show you guys how I use it, but I was using this. This thing got to be a little bit too crappy and I'd have to constantly refill it, and sometimes it wouldn't work, so I splurged. My first go around, everything worked, so now I'm getting a few more items to update everything, this stuff, and really get it to go. That was my first go around. The second time is gonna be really cool. I'm gonna get a lot of good stuff. I'll be able to give it out to family and friends, eat it all. I'll probably have too much to eat. I'm gonna have a lot of stuff. So this was 25 bucks. It's really heavy duty. I watched another YouTube video where the guy was talking about these sprayers, and you can get one at like a 99-cent store for like a few bucks, but the seal kind of sucks and it lasts. If you really want to get the system going and try it, you can use one of these. Just get a clean one, put fresh water in there, but this will make my life easier. You just pump it. I move these off the tray. This is a little bit clunky, but especially I'll move these off the tray or off the thing and put them next to the kitchen counter and then go because I don't want to get a bunch of water on the lights. I don't even know if these are waterproof, but I'd rather not just do that. So I just take these off, move it to the kitchen counter, spray it down once a day, and that's it. So that's my setup for now. That's my first go around. Hopefully you guys learned something or can use that for your first time around, and I'll give you an update when I update this, and we'll see you on the next time.